Hello and welcome to Your Positive Mind Meditation Podcast. I'm Andrew and I'll be guiding you through today's meditation. This session has been created for teenagers. The aim is to help you focus on yourself, calm your tensions, and be more confident. Listen and do exactly as I say, and you will see all the benefits this meditation can do to you. If you want to discover more meditations, go to theartofrealhappiness.com or visit our YouTube channel, Your Positive Mind Meditation Podcast. Let's start with our meditation. Meditation for teenagers. This is a meditation for those of you between the ages of 11 and 19. This session will guide you to relax and fully believe in yourself. Have a seat on the ground with your legs crossed and your spine straight. Or you can be sitting in a chair. Just make sure that you keep your posture tall and dignified during this session. If you would like to lay down and fully relax, that's fine too. You can do this meditation in different positions to see what's best for you. Let's begin by acknowledging something that is keeping you alive since the very beginning of your life. Oxygen. Breathing is the most important thing we do. We cannot go for longer than 2 minutes or so without breath. Yet, most of us do not even notice we are breathing all day. So let's honor our breath and take 5 deep and full breath together in a moment, letting each breath fill you with energy. And each time you exhale, allow yourself to feel deeply relaxed. Take 5 significant and purposeful breaths. 1. Fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale. 2. Inhale, hold it, and exhale. 3. Inhale, hold it, soaking in oxygen, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you, filling your entire breathing system with fresh oxygen, and exhale. The wave of relaxation gently sweeping over you. 4. Fully inhale, and exhaling. And 5. And exhale. Take note of how you feel at this very moment. You now have an abundance of oxygen. This is how we are created to feel. Breathing deeply and fully is an expression of self-compassion. Let your breath flow naturally now, and notice again how you feel. Now return your focus on your spine Is it straight, radiating confidence in yourself? Make your posture tall and proud, lifting your head high. And if you haven't done so, allow your eyes to gently close and feel a nice relaxation in your eyelids when you do so. This relaxation in your eyelids is so comforting that you let it grow and begin to fill your entire body with calmness. Become aware of your head now. Just notice your eyes and ears. What sounds can you hear? Now notice your nose. Can you feel the air gently coming in? Now notice your mouth and chin. And let your awareness go down your neck and shoulders, down each arm, and all the way to the tip of each finger. Become aware of your lungs now, expanding and contracting. And notice your heart beating strongly. Notice your belly and your hips, all the way down each leg, to notice your feet and each toe. Take another nice deep breath in and let a smile come across your face. Bring into your mind a memory when you were laughing. It could be a memory from long ago, or a funny moment that happened recently. Just let the feeling of laughter and joy rise in your body as it comes into your mind. Vividly see yourself laughing. And now, hear yourself saying, I laugh, I am calm and relaxed. Whenever I am in a stressful time, it is helpful for me to smile, even just a little. And remember that this stress should pass by. When I breathe deeply and focus on a time when I was laughing, I can bring the feeling of happiness and joy back to the very moment of now. I am an important addition to this world. I accomplish things in my own time. I am worthy and I deserve goodness. And when I relax, I can focus. I don't have to worry about what I will be, because I already am. Vividly see yourself now, accomplishing all that you want to do. See this in as much detail as you can. The more details you can add to your imagination of yourself achieving goals, the better. Very good. Now, whenever you are ready to come back to the present moment, take a nice deep refreshing breath, feeling energized and ready to accomplish your goals. Open your eyes to see the beautiful world that is yours to explore. Just one more thing. Always be kind to one another, including yourself. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. Please share this journey with someone who will benefit from it as much as you did. Your positive mind wishes you an amazing day, filled with love and serenity. And for more positivity, visit our website, theartofrealhappiness.com.